Hey bosses, it's Bloggin Brandi here, and today is beta day 8, and I'm trying to get these vlogs out and stay on track. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button below this video and the bell icon so you're notified each and every time I publish. One of the biggest questions I get asked is, Brandi, how do you make money? Okay, so we've been talking about this, and one of the questions that somebody brought up was, hey, what's this box in the background, and what are the things that you sell? So I mentioned that I have a business called Amber Exchange, and that is my online reselling business, and actually how I got started kind of doing my own thing online, which led to becoming Bloggin Brandi, because before I ever had a blog, I actually had a business before I started that. I thought I would show you some of this stuff that's down here, and it's kind of not the best time because it's dark outside right now. I'm trying to make sure that I get this done, but before I forget, there is a group that I just created and a community for anyone who has questions. So you can put them below this video, and there's going to be a link below this video in the description to the group that I'm talking about. So if you want to learn how to sell this stuff online, since I got so many questions, I figured I'd kind of like create a space for all of us to kind of chat. So check out the description below this video. I'm going to put all the information that you need to know. But in the meantime, let's just look at some of this, and we'll make it quick just to kind of like give you an idea. The stuff that I sell is really random. So I really don't sell clothing, but I've dabbled in it. I have one thing for sale, which is this Vera Bradley bag, but that really hasn't gone up for sale yet. I just know that it is for sale. But see, I'm not into fashion and stuff, so I mean, if you can't tell, I get all my stuff from Goodwill because that's where I shop and make all my money. But then I started buying things at auctions and bought pallets, and then I bought return items, and then I lost my butt on return items. I started buying new items. I only buy new items, and my knees on this floor suck. But Naveen got this cool exercise ball. It's supposed to be a chair by, who is it? Vivora. Has anybody tried this Vivora ball? We're gonna sit on it and work over here. So it's supposed to be a work ball. You're supposed to sit on this Vivora ball and work. So I make a lot of money with toys. That seems to be something I make a lot of money off of. Baby items, I do make money off of. These are just like some bracket stuff I got. Like I said, baby items. These are baby blankets, but I only paid probably $1 for them, and I know that I can sell them for probably like 20 bucks. I got some of this health food stuff at a convention that I went to. Hopefully nobody's watching this video, but I took the products because they gave them to me for free and I put them online for sale. So if you give me free products, they're probably gonna go up for sale, unless you give me one to use and like one to review and one to use, and the rest will go for sale. That's probably like the business side of me. I have some other stuff. Like I said, these are toys, so I'm just gonna like give you a quick glance. Toys, marble. We have a mailbox down here. Baby items. And like I said, make sure that you check the link below this video because there's a group that you can join. And then I did some private labeling for a while. So these are like these baby teethers. I don't know if you ever saw these on Amazon. They're these banana baby teethers. So I sold these, or I was dabbling in selling these because baby items make money. And there was these other teethers that I looked at selling, which looked like these Oreos. And I don't even have a baby, so I don't really know anything about babies, but they make money. These were like some kind of net things for the tub, but I don't know. A bunch of random stuff that I get and make money off of. Teaching items, anything that you can make money teaching, those are always things. So that's just a little glimpse, of how I make money, and my Vivora ball. If anybody wants the Vivora ball, I'll put a link to that below the video too, so you can check that out. So apparently you can sit on this Vivora ball and work out while you're working, and you kill two birds with one stone. So yeah, I just want to know what questions you have, because I didn't really know that people thought that was so interesting. But yeah, I take those items and I flip them and I make money online. I was looking for my money to show you that I make money online by taking those items. So I sell them on Amazon, I sell them on eBay, I have a website. There's so many questions, I guess, that you could ask me. I just want to know what questions you have, and make sure that you check the link below this video and we can kind of go from there. So vlogging on Veda Day 8 is done. I'm excited to start Veda Day 9. Whoa, this is getting crazy, vlogging every day. So make sure that you're subscribing and not missing these videos. Businesses and vlogs and all of that, it gets crazy. That's why I'm sharing behind the scenes of Bloggin Brandi. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to share this with your friends. Hit that like button, and yeah, Bloggin Brandi here, signing off.